we will put in the ingredients. Carrot, pumpkin, potato, sweet potato, and corn. Shishito. Okay?
Alright.
You guys ready?
Why you have to be so extra? Okay.
Okay, let's go.
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So for today's video, my partner and I will be making Jamaican pumpkin with red kidney bean soup. I don't want to say pea soup because it's not the traditional version of cooking the red kidney bean. It's more like using canned kidney bean, if you know what I mean. You know what I mean. So it's more like canned kidney bean in pumpkin soup. Anyways, enough of me blabbering. I do hope you'll enjoy this video. Remember to like, share, subscribe, leave a comment to let me know what technique you usually use, and continue watching. Added more water to the pot, and we're gonna allow the pumpkin to boil until it's cooked. Once it's cooked, we're gonna remove it and crush it and then return it to the pot. But in the meantime, we're gonna go ahead and slice our potatoes, sweet potatoes, and carrots. In Jamaica, we usually use yellow yam in our pea soup. I don't have yellow yam. I've never seen yellow yam here in Japan, and maybe I have seen it, but it's written in Japanese. I don't know, but I've never seen it here.
Oh, just little by little.
Because you don't want it too soft. Other one. No, this one. Like this. Okay, like this really. So like this. And you take it and try
Okay.
to incorporate like that. Hi. Combine. Alright. Oh, professional, Joseph. Oh.
You guys call me dumpling master. This is my first time.
Right? And you've done good.
Good.
Okay. Pleasure. So you have officially made your first dumpling. Yay. So we're gonna add our powdered seasoning. We have parsley. It's in a thyme bottle, but it's parsley. I'm just gonna use my measurements based on my ancestors' knowledge. When they say stop, Ayoka, I will stop. Oh, this is thyme. I'm sorry. And salt and pepper. Allspice powder. And my mom sent this from Jamaica for me. It's Maggi all-purpose seasoning, and it's very good actually. So I'm just gonna use a little bit. And usually in Jamaica we use chicken noodle soup mix. This is what it looks like. It's basically noodles in like pumpkin seasoning or pumpkin powder. And but if you don't have this, what I usually use is this Japanese seasoning. What is this called again? Consomme. Yeah, it's very good actually. Sometimes, I'm not gonna lie, I do prefer using consomme instead of this. And if you're here in Japan, you should give it a try. Don't bash me before you try it. If you try it and you don't like it, then you can bash me, but this is my definitely go-to even when I do have this. So we're gonna add, and again, season to taste because this is very salty, y'all. But usually I go about this amount. I don't know how many spoon or tablespoon this is. And for the Maggi powdered seasoning, can you see that's what it looks like?
So, we will put in the ingredients: carrot, pumpkin, potato, sweet potato, and corn, shishito. Okay?
Alright.
You guys ready?
Why you have to be so extra? Okay.
Okay, let's go.
日本語喋れます。
はい。人参とかぼちゃ、芋、さつまいも、コーン、でししと、これ今から全部入れるんで、ね、気をつけて熱いんでね。
You wanna take one at a time, baby? Yes. 危ない。はい。
気をつけてね。気をつけて。気をつけて。
We're gonna put more water inside and then cover it. Look at that. I need a bigger pot. I do have one, but I just haven't bothered to do all of this pour in and pour out business now. How many dumplings do you want? So there we have it, guys. This is our finished recipe. I do hope you enjoyed cooking with us today. Let me know, what's your technique as it relates to cooking red pea soup? Again, thanks for watching.